Hey everyone, welcome back to Wix Fix. I hope you're having a fantastic day. In today's video, I just want to give you a little quick tip for professional web design here in Wix, and that is the 20 pixel rule. So for today's video, I'm just going to be using a Wix template. And if I go ahead and preview the website real quick and I shrink down the browser, you're going to notice that it looks pretty good already. And that's just because this is a pre-designed Wix template. However, if you notice right here, this little testimonial slider is pushed up right against the edge of the screen on smaller screen sizes. So in order to fix something like that, and let's just say we go into this column right here and we push this text right over here all the way to the edge of the grid line. Then if I press preview again, you're going to notice that the text gets pushed all the way to the edge of the screen, and that doesn't look as professional. This kind of makes it look like this was done on accident, which is not what you want. So what I recommend is you go ahead and select the element if it's pushed up against the grid line. And if you hold shift and any arrow key, it will move the element by 10 pixels. So in this instance, we want to move it right. So I'm going to hold shift and right 2 times at least. And if you want even more space, you can do it maybe 3 or 4 times. And then let's go ahead and do this for the slider over here as well. Let's go ahead and bump this left using the shift key maybe 3 times. So 1, 2, 3. And now if I go ahead and press preview and I shrink down the website all the way to its most minimum value, now we have plenty of space over here, and we also have plenty of space right over here, and your website doesn't look like it was squished or like it was pushed up against the boundaries on accident. And I would use this rule for every single element on your page. So if we look right here, you can see that there's plenty of space between the grid line and the content. Same with here, although right here, maybe you might want to do like a couple more if you wanted to, just to give yourself some space. And I would go ahead and do that with every single element on your website. That way, on smaller screen sizes, it still allows your content to breathe and doesn't feel like it's pushed up against the edges. But that basically wraps it up for today's little quick tip. If you all enjoyed, please consider giving this video a like and consider subscribing for more Wix and EditorX content coming out really soon. Thank you all again, and I'll see you all in the next one.